So now we're going to make a conjugation chart, and a conjugation chart starts off with the subject pronouns. So please copy exactly what I'm doing here, exactly how I'm doing it. It's just you're going to write the French subject pronouns only, and I want you to write il and elle on the same line. And then leave a space. And these two, again, on the same line. Do that now, please. We are going to start by conjugating the verb être. Être is an irregular verb. It is the most commonly used verb in French, just as it is in English. And the way we do it usually is put the verb at the top in French, and then the meaning, which is to be. This is the infinitive form. It means it's not conjugated. And in French, the infinitive form includes the word to. So it's not just be, it's to be is the unconjugated verb. So does anybody want to take a stab at what you think this one would be, just for the heck of it? Oui, je suis. So if you think of how you learn to say je suis américaine, you've learned this. Be sure you're spelling these correctly as you copy them, because on a conjugation chart, spelling matters. When you're a lot of times it doesn't matter that much, but when you're conjugating verbs, it does, because I don't know if you know how to conjugate it if you don't spell it correctly. So make sure you're getting it right. What do you think this one is? You don't have to tell me how to spell it. How do you say tu es? Oui. So I'll show you how to spell it in case you didn't remember. It's this one. Tu es. And then il or elle, est. You learned that one. We put these on the same line because the conjugation is the same for both of these. And then these I don't believe that we've learned or done. You may have heard them, but this one is nous sommes. Be sure you put the S on the end. You may hear me say it because you hear nous sommes. You almost never pronounce this S. Don't leave it off, though, when you're writing. It needs to be there. If you think of this as being plural, we are, it might remind you that there's an S there. And again, the same with vous êtes. You don't hear the S when you say it, but it needs to be there when you write it. And then ils, elles sont. So this means I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, you are, or y'all are, they are, they are. So that's what they mean, and this is the verb être. It's in this lesson. It is one of the main objectives of this lesson, Leçon 6.